So I want to thank you for joining us for this F-Serpent Chakra intro course. I've given you a little taste of the 7 chakras, a little bit of a preview of what's to come, and I hope this has added value to you. I hope you have a deeper understanding now of yourself and the 7 levels of these energies that you have within you, and I hope you also have some insights into the people in your life, because you can understand where they're coming from. Are these people have blocked certain chakras, and maybe that's why there's a problem, and maybe it has to do with their childhood, or are you still holding on to something in one of these areas that's preventing you from opening that part of yourself? Whatever it is, I hope you use this information well. Don't try and force the healing on anyone, especially not even yourself. Be patient. Awareness is going to now begin to bring new connections and new people into your life that are going to help you accelerate your healing and growth process. And continue to have fun every day, because when you're having fun, good energy is moving, and that's going to continue to feed your entire system and bring you more and more into the fulfillment. As always, Mr. F. Serpent signing out. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you on the full course.